there's something you wanna do, just do it. Don't let your head stop your heart from moving. If there's someone you wanna talk to, who knows who we'd be if we just live more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? Guys, it's been a minute and this baby girl has been busy. Life has been lifing, school, reading and more reading. Oops. Welcome back guys. So earlier when I spoke with you guys, I was rushing down to school, so I really did not have time to talk much. However, I just got on with my first class, so I decided to gist with you guys. So guys, like I said, this baby girl has been busy majorly with schoolwork, and this is because for this degree I transitioned into tech. You know, tech, computer science generally isn't what I did for my undergraduate studies, so I need to put in a lot of effort, a lot of reading to ensure that I excel, because yeah, baby girl wants to excel. I want to pass, you know. So I've been doing a lot of reading, you know, and also because the teaching scheme and everything is quite different from what we have in Nigeria. So you have a lot of assignments, coursework, a lot of things to do on your own, so you really can't just be laid back. So I've been putting in the work, and yeah, pretty much that's why I've not had time for YouTube. And I would have loved to also shoot a sit-down video, but I didn't come with my tripod. I'm hoping to get one soon so that I can begin to shoot my sit-down videos as well. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've been up to lately. I just wanted you guys to know why I have not uploaded a YouTube video in like I think 3 weeks now, almost a month. Yeah, that's pretty much the reason why. Also, if you guys have any sit down video suggestions about school, about relocation, anything basically that you'd like me to shoot about or talk about, please let me know in the comment section. You could also send me a DM so that I can look into that. So yeah, that's it guys, thank you so much. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Hey guys, so today I want to bake bread, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have my flour, butter, pinch of salt, lukewarm water, sugar, and my baking pan. So basically these are the ingredients I'm going to be using today guys. This is my first time doing this, but I'm pretty sure I can kill it. And so yeah, let's see how it goes and let's see how it turns out. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to activate our yeast. So I'm just going to cut this off. Add some water. I'm just going to let this sit for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, so now I'm going to be adding some sugar to this. Obviously I'm not going to be using everything because this is quite plenty. So the next thing now will be pouring this mixture into the flour. Guys, I don't have a big bowl, so I'm just going to make do with this, but I think I'm going to reduce this flour a bit. I would add it later if need be, but for now I will just reduce a bit, a teeny little bit. Now I'm going to add this to the mixture. I'm still going to use my hands. I'm going to add this. I'm trying to ensure that this is showing. So I've added the mixture. I'm still going to use my hands though, but I just want to mix it first to know if I have the right quantity. Yeah, I think I would be adding the flour I took out previously. I'll just add it back, but let me mix this first.
There's something you wanna do, just do it. Don't let your head stop your heart from moving. If there's someone you wanna talk to, who knows who we'd be if we just live more in love.
Guys, I forgot to add salt. I forgot to add salt, but I don't know if I can add it now. But I'm just going to add it anyways because it's supposed to be part of it. I'm going to be adding a bit, then part of my water, and I'm just going to mix that up. I hope this doesn't cause any issues, Sha, to the bread eventually. But yeah, let's see how it turns out. Oh my god. Chef B in the building. So I'm going to be kneading this, but guys, I don't know if this consistency is okay or if it's supposed to be thicker than this. I'm really not sure, but let's see. So I'm just going to be putting a bit of butter in between. So I've just put a bit of butter in between the.
If there's something you wanna do, just do it. Don't let your head stop your heart from moving. If there's someone you wanna talk to, who knows who we'd be if we just live more in love. If there's something you wanna do, just do it. Don't let your head stop your heart from moving. If there's someone you wanna talk to, who knows who we'd be if we just live more in love more. We all just need to live more.
We have a fine dough. I think so. So I've been doing this for about 10-15 minutes now.
Sounds art amazing.
Love my baby. You got a man going hard for your love. Swallow me, dip the man no feet, take come on. I can know where to go and make you my wife. You're the only reason I am grateful for life, my rider. We're right until the sun come up.
Next thing I'm going to do is cut it into pieces. Guys, I do not have a bread knife, so I'm just going to use this. So I'll just divide this.
Cause now me you can follow till the day we die. I mean why? I can wait to make your face just smile. It's not a lie. You set my soul on fire. So many girls have passed through. None of the girls find past you.
I'm going to work on them individually.
It's at 5 in the morning. I wake up to fight for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you rely in. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. And behind my mind it runs all these thoughts of trouble.
I'm going to go ahead and butter my pan so that I can begin to place the bread rolls in here. I do not have a brush as well, so I'm just going to use my spoon and my fingers to do this.
I need a free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and another one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. My would insist if you cannot pray. I need to find release, and behind my mind it runs all these thoughts of troubling. Fighting to give up my pain.
The thing I'm going to be doing is to cover the pan so that the yeast can work and the dough would rise. I'm just going to cover it this way and keep it in the oven. The oven isn't on yet. You just need to keep in the cool, dry place basically. So guys, for 5 minutes later, and this is what we have. Actually about 50 minutes, and this is what we have. You can see that the dough has risen significantly compared to when we put it aside. So this is what we're going to be working with. I'm just going to set up the oven now so that we can bake. I'm just going to set this to 175 degrees. Yeah, so I'm just going to preheat it for like 2 minutes before I pop in the bread in there. So our bread is ready. Oops, that looks fluffy. Oof. Guys, it's so soft. Hey guys, welcome back. It's another day, and today I have some hairs I'm going to be revamping, and that's what I'm going to be doing this morning before I get into other things. For those of you who do not know, I have a hair business, Penel Hairs. You can check us out on Instagram. We offer a variety of services. I'm also going to drop a flyer on the screen somewhere here to list out the services I offer, from wigging, coloring, revamp, and all the good stuff. So if you're in the UK, holla at your girl and patronize me. And yeah, for this for these hairs I want to do now, I'm going to show you guys the before and the after of the process so that you can see what you can get from me if you patronize. So yeah, let's get to it.
From Abuja go Kwakwalata Money mota kwa face I want I know fit fast, I know fit do pass my power I know fit my shawarma I dey for from one journey to another Enjoy my game, you are loader for more loader to go me japa Cause in this game I no be beginner I won't become a winner I'm already the player.
Hey guys, so I've had this hair on for a while now. I made it in Nigeria and it's been on me since I got into the UK, and as you can see, the hair is still pretty much very neat. The roots are intact. The person that made this hair did a very good job, and I think the attachment used, or the hair bundle used rather, is really good as well. It's still very intact. There are no fly outs. It's just very perfect. So I just want to wash it because I'm still going to have it on for a while before I take it down. So I want to wash it today with this shampoo, and I'm just going to go wash it and I'll be right back when I'm done. I'm done washing the hair now. You can see the scalp is now dry, is now clean rather. The hair is quite heavy now because of the water content, so I'm just going to dry that out using my hand dryer to dry off the water. Let me do that quickly. So I'm done washing the hair now, and I'm just going to use my shea butter on my scalp, like so. Yeah, it's kind of whitish. I can also use essential oils that wouldn't cause this kind of thing, but I do not have any. However, once I'm done, I'll be using my hand dryer to melt the shea butter in, so it's not going to be like this when I'm done. So I'm just going to quickly rub all of that in just so my scalp isn't dry, because I've stripped off the oils while washing, so that's why I need to apply this all over. And like I said, I'll be melting in the shea butter using the hand dryer once I'm done. I'm just going to quickly do that all over. It's quite tight. This is just so it lays down properly. Basically that's it. Next I go in with my lip gloss. Yeah, I'm done. So guys, it's a chilly day today. It's been snowing since yesterday, and because of the weather, uni is closed today. The campus is closed, so lectures will be delivered online. So I'm just going to be home, take my lectures, and just rests. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Who knows who we'd be if we just live more and love more? We all